Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add and change line spacing in the WordPress Block Editor, also known as Gutenberg. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to control both line height and paragraph spacing, all without plugins or complicated code. If you've ever struggled with cramped text or wanted your pages to look just a bit more polished, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in with adjusting the spacing between lines. This is technically called line height, and it can make a big difference in how readable and clean your text looks. So first up, select the block you want to adjust. This could be a paragraph, a heading, or even a list. Just click directly on the block you want to edit. If you're unsure what counts as a block, just look for the blue outline that appears when you click your text in the block editor. That tells you you're in the right spot. This step is important because each block can have its own spacing, so you want to be certain you're adjusting the right piece of content. Now look over to the right-hand side of your WordPress editor. You'll see the settings sidebar open up. If you don't see it, click the little gear icon at the top right. It sometimes hides itself. Within the sidebar, locate the section called Typography. This panel holds all your font-related controls like size, appearance, and of course line height. But here's a little heads up. Sometimes the line height option isn't visible by default. Don't worry if that's the case. It's a newer feature and WordPress likes to keep things tidy. To reveal it, just click the three little dots, the More Options menu next to the typography heading, then pick Line Height from the list. It'll pop right up in the panel, ready for you to use. Once you have access to the line height control, you'll see a box where you can type in a number, or sometimes a slider you can drag left and right. The standard line height is usually 1.5. That means the space is 1.5 times the size of your text, but don't be afraid to experiment. A higher number increases the vertical space and can make longer paragraphs breathe better, while a smaller number pulls lines closer together, which can be useful for headings or dense content. Just adjust the value and watch how your text changes in real time. It's all visual, so you can instantly see what feels good, and remember, you can always undo changes with Ctrl+Z if you want to try different styles. Think of line height like double spacing in a school paper. It helps your reader's eyes move smoothly down the page, makes your writing more approachable, and prevents your layout from feeling squished. With just these steps, you have complete control block by block right in Gutenberg. No extra plugins, custom code, or technical headaches needed. And that's all there is to it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want tips about other WordPress editing features, drop your questions in the comments. I love hearing what you're working on. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.